Welcome back to the Barber Mosaic. I am Maurice, and today we have a very special unboxing of the Canon EOS R5. Stay tuned. I've been waiting for this camera. I ordered this camera straight from Canon Direct, August 31st. It came in October 1st. And let's just jump right into the unboxing. I cannot wait to get this thing open, see what's on the inside, look at the camera and evaluate it, see what's going on. So first and foremost, the packaging, subpar. It's not like an iPhone where, you know, it just looks dope and you don't even want to hurt the box. But I mean, hey, it's about what's inside. You got first your various Canon paperworks. You've got the EOS R5 handbook. Don't forget to register your camera. You've got an USB-C. Check this out. Open this up. You got your USB-C joint. Okay. There you go. That's going to get you connected. That's going to be a USB-C right there. And you've got, of course, the battery charger. Take a look at this. Now this feels a little more. Now, and keep in mind, this is my very first foray into, you know, the bigger, better full frame Canon cameras. I'm coming from the Canon 6D and the T7i. So I figured if I were to put the 6D and the T7i together, I would come up with a really great camera, a hybrid style. Looks cool, okay? And then we have the battery. Now this is a LP, I use an LPE 6HN or something. What is this? That's a pretty standard battery. This battery is said to give you about 15% more battery life. So looking forward to testing that out, seeing if that's the real deal. Under this cover, you've got the Canon EOS R5 strap that I probably won't use. That's cool, okay. And then the camera. They've done it really well to. It feels a little heavier, man. It feels a little heavier than already for a mirrorless camera. All right, and there it is. Ooh, the EOS R5, bro. Oh man. That is dope. I like really nice feel to it. Really nice feel to it. I can't wait to get the battery grip on there and see how it feels. It has a really nice feel to it. It has the flip screen that's rotatable. Kind of like my T7i, so it does give me that type of vibe. Has that super premium feel to it. You have, and when it's off, you see the shutter. The shutter is closed when it's off. Yep, so this has been the Canon EOS R5 unboxing. And yo, I just want to let you know, man, this channel is called the Barber Mosaic for a reason, okay? If you think about what a mosaic is, it's something when you're close to it and you're watching it, you really can't tell what it is because there's so many different pieces and parts to it. But if you look at it long enough and you maybe take a few steps back and you kind of reflect over what you were looking at, you'll see that it's a bunch of great things that all came together to make one big picture. And that is what my channel is about. My life is about, actually. I'm a barber. I'm also a product maker. I own hair product that I make. I'm a dad. I'm also a photographer, videographer. I'm just really jumping into video really good. I do a lot. I do a lot of things, man. Some videos are going to be dedicated to camera gear and equipment and things like that. Some are going to be about haircuts. Some are going to be about vlogs and my life, my lifestyle, what I do on a day-to-day. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, man, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time a new video drops. So I thank y'all for joining me in unboxing my Canon EOS R5. I cannot wait to get some real world use out of this thing and see what it does. I've got a shoot come up this weekend. I'm definitely gonna be taking this out there with me. Thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.